Okay, so this is the little Tikes Princess Hideaway Tent. It's basically a tent with a castle. Yeah, it also has nice lighting, and it looks really, really beautiful, like a princess tent. It's very, very fun for kids.
This is a magic wand, right?
Yeah, magic wand. So I'm going to essentially open this and show how to set this whole thing up, and then my daughter is going to play inside. I'm going to review this.
I want to try
So yeah, let me start. Okay, so these are all the 4 items. As soon as you open it, this expands, so just be careful. This is essentially making like the nice decoration on the outside for the tent. And this is the light. It has an on-off switch. There is like a screw here to put the batteries in. I'm going to open this and show it to you. And there's like a nice decoration which will make the lights look like diamonds with different colors because of how like a diamond shape this is made. So let me open this and show it to you next. Step is you need this. This is the main tent. Ritik, can you please stand up and go to the side? Papa wants to open and I don't want to make sure you don't get hurt.
Yeah, right?
Yes.
Oh,
Please
why
go.
not? Sorry.
Essentially just open this side like this. And then you need to pull it. It essentially pull it. So it essentially expands.
Wow.
Yeah. And now this thing is essentially open, right? And you need to find the entrance. And if you notice, this is the entrance. It is sealed. Right? So you having something at the bottom is nice. It's not necessary, but I like to have something like this here, just so that it's nice. Next, we are going to put the princess cover. Notice how easy it was to expand it. Just pull it, pull the folded side. Yes. You see?
I have to go in. When I go.
Okay. Next, I am going to put this cover on top of the tent. This is for kids. My daughter is 4 years old, and this is essentially for kids 3 to 6. As the kids grow older, this might not be as helpful because it's like for younger kids. At 6-7 years is the max that you can expect in this thing. After that, they won't be able to fit easily. So definitely recommend to use it, when you're 3 to 6 years old. So all that we need to now do is we are going to put this cover on top of here. Now I want to notice something, right? On one side it is open, and that is the entrance side. We are essentially going to put it like this. That way, the entrance or like the opening is around here. This is the way I'm doing it, and I'm essentially making sure that the opening is around here. Yeah, and then you want to essentially expand this to make sure that it's a crown. Okay. What is important is like you notice this part which is open, it's in the center. This is important. The thing is, if it is too much floating, it might be a little bit of a problem. Like a kid might pull or drop. It's also nice to just put it below, so that it's like tucked in, and the kids don't accidentally pull up. And notice the way I'm doing it, it becomes easy for them to open up. It essentially just becomes like a proper hideaway tent. Yes, now we can go in. Yes. Yes, so this is the tent. Now next I am going to put the lights in.
Close the door.
You can see I am sitting here with the princess and I am setting up the stuff for here. When you essentially look at this thing here, there is like a screwdriver, like a screw which is connected. So you need to use the screwdriver to essentially open it and remove it. And then you need 3 AA batteries. And all you have to do is put the batteries in. 1, 2 and 3. You can notice it's turned around, right? So you can see it turns on and off. Then once again make sure you lock it. My daughter is now 4 years old, so I'm not worried about her removing the battery, but if you have young kids, just safer to put the screw back in so they don't misbehave. I know my daughter does not misbehave in any way, so I know that she won't remove this stuff here. So I'm still locking it just to show you all. Next, you want to essentially place this. It's very, very easy. Just put it inside. The fact that you can open it is nice, so that you can also repair it if something breaks or clean it. Yes, now I can turn on the lights. You can essentially put this inside the tent along with your kids, and you can turn off the light. So let me first make sure that she goes inside, and then I can put this in. Can you please go inside first? Yes. But careful, okay? Say hi to Mama.
Hi.
Okay, who is sitting inside? Is it a princess?
Yes. दरवाजा बंद कर सकते हो.
What is the name of the princess?
Lindsay.
Is the princess? Okay. Yeah, you can close the door. Chotu.
Close. Now I can close.
You can close it yourself. Come on, do not. Yeah. Now, come on. You place it like this, and then you can essentially close it like this. And yes. Yep. And that's how we close it. Priti, Papa want to put the light in. Okay? Can I come inside?
Why not?
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Let's put it a bit inside. Okay. So you can see, 2 girls can easily fit in. 2 girls, 3, 4 years old can easily fit in. Let me turn around and let me turn it. How does it look? Let me turn off the lights. How is it looking?
Wow.
Do you like
दरवाजा
it?
बंद कर सकते हैं.
One minute. 1 minute. Okay, Vicky, do you like it?
Yes.
How
Now
much?
close the door.
How much do you like it? Little or lot?
So much, lot.
Say,
I have to close the door.
say hi first.
Hi.
Okay, so I'm going to close the door as she has mentioned she wants to close the door.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. And you can see the light is turned on and now she can play with it. So, yeah. So, just to let you know a little bit, because even though it has lights, but it's also a moving component which is moving. So, anytime there is like a moving component, it takes a slightly more battery than you would expect. So, I expect it to take more battery, but it's still very, very beautiful and nice. And it should not take a lot of battery anyways. But you can see how beautiful it looks with the lights turned off and on. Especially fun for kids to play in the tent.
Night off करता.
Yeah, Viti, there is like a button here. You can turn it on.
After the night off.
Oh, this light off? Yeah. Okay. Anyways, the whole tent is now ready and kids can play here.
Off.
Yeah, Viti, 1 minute. The whole tent is ready and kids can now essentially play in here and have a lot of fun.
I put the night off.
Alright. Say bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you. Let's do close the down close the night off.
Say bye and thank you with your
Bye.
hand.
Thank